So here in the South, red velvet cake, kind of a traditional dessert that you see. Long time ago, the red color came from beets. Now it's, red food coloring or other things. But here at Jimmy J's, they have turned red velvet cake into red velvet pancakes with syrup and sausage. And in case I run low on syrup, I have an entire bottle here on my table.
This one is over easy.
Rich and chewy and gooey and yummy. Oh my. So good. And a little fruit smear on top and the powdered sugar. Red velvet pancakes. As with any dessert or sweet entree, you don't want it to be too sweet. You don't want to cover up the flavor of the ingredients with just plain sugar or powdered sugar or honey or syrup. This is really terrific. Here's a good bite with the sausage. Salty and sweet and amazing.